The last remaining part, which is actually I tried to do it in the previous video and didn't work, was to show the colors that you see under the layers here into the scene. So what I have to do is that basically this, because it's like kind of put in place here, I'm gonna drag this a little bit from there, and now I'm gonna go over here and then turn on all the layers. So all the layers that I just created are gonna be turned on, and this menu it didn't show because it was like close to this corner. I'm gonna go here and then I'm gonna say color by layer. And as you can see now that I put the color, I can look here and then see which layer is what, and that basically show me some sort of a color coded of this layering. It's not a material, it's nothing, it just give you some visual reference to find the specific layer into this scene. So for example, I realize that these two shouldn't be in this, I'm gonna click on this and then hold Control, double click on this one, and then under the info interior, I'm gonna put these two on the roof. So now that's the right color. So I couldn't notice this unless I basically turning on and off these things. Another advantage that you can find when you're working with layer is that, like for example, let's say you want to change some of the features. Could be material, you want to be adjusting some of the details here for the roof. So having all the other pieces here would be very hard to navigate. So what you can do is just turn off, for example, the rest of the things. I'm going to put this as a current. So I'm going to click here and then turn off this layer. So you can see that this is basically just the roof layer. What you notice is that when I select and I turn off the layer 0, this piece, which is a group, is actually hide as well. So what I have to do is that I have to change the layer of the group as well. So I'm going to open up the layer and I'm going to put that one under the roof. So now that I have this, if I put this in the roof and then turn off the layer 0, you see that I have all the relevant object in the layer roof, and I can start editing, adding detail to that.